Wow, it's after 5 and I am in St. Thomas, Bath, St. Thomas, 5:30 with grade 6. Imagine that. How did people's children till how much hours? This is the Bath Botanical Gardens in St. Thomas. This is our last stop. We've been to Stony God today, Morant Bay, courthouse where Paul Bogle was hanged, stone crushing place. We visited the mangrove swamps, and here we are at Bath Botanical Gardens. Very beautiful, very historical. Look at the tall, old trees. These palm trees are old, like the hills, very old, very tall. Wow, you can see all these trees, the age. When you look at the bark and the moss on the bark, you'll be able to see, look at the bark. You see the moss growing on the bark. Then you can know the age of a tree by the moss growing on the bark. There's a very old, long time church. That church look like it built from in the 1700s based on the style. Right, that's the type of building that was around in the 1700s from the British were here. From even the 1600s. Alright, so there we have it, different species of flowers. And these flowers, many of them have medicinal properties. I have a little shed here, kind of broken down. Got the storm destroyed it. This place reminds me, wow, this tree is big and old. What's the name of this tree? Huh? Barringtonian tree, very big and very old. Look at the bark. I don't even know if this camera is giving it justice. Why is it so late? It bear any fruit? Yeah? This tree is very old, I can tell based on the... Yeah man, this tree. Yeah, I know because I can tell from the building.
You sit here.
This year sometime this year gone back
375
years old.
Yes. From the British was here, from the British, yeah.
You know? Just imagine.
Oh, that's what it bear. The children are excited. They have found a wishing well. Real well. Have I ever seen a well? Shh. This is a wishing well, huh? Think it's the first well I'm seeing. First well I've ever seen. Sorry, make I see it. Sorry, let me see the well. Sorry, it's a well. It's a well.
This is a wishing well.
So where's the wheel and the bucket?
This is a wishing
Well, there's a wishing well in Botanical Gardens. Wishing well, what an excitement. I like this tree, the leaves are very big. Oh, it's one of the palm family. Palm family, this look like palm. Unusual, very big. It's I'm videoing. Wow. I tell you the place pretty. And you see the history of the trees. You can see the moss on the trees to know how old these trees are. That's what the guy was saying. That this garden is 200 and odd years old from the British. And even the church, you can tell from the building that it's way over 100 years. Wow. So yes, people, Dupont primary tour comes to an end at Bath Botanical, and we're heading back to Kingston. Heading back to Kingston. Thank you, God, for a good tour. Good day of learning, a good day, a good field trip day. Kingston to St. Thomas, Dupont primary from Kingston all the way into St. Thomas. We're here and we're leaving.